Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2015 Ram 1500 and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horn is not working. This video will apply to Rams 1500 made from 2013 all the way up to 2018. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, I will also mention before showing you the fuse is the first and easiest thing to check. If this fuse is good, then you want to dig deeper, you want to check the horn itself, you want to check the wiring, but there is also a big possibility that you are having problems with the airbag clock spring, as that is the second most common cause of horn not working, especially if you have like traction control light on as well. Okay, so the horn fuse is under the front hood on the driver's side in the fuse box just next to the battery. Right here. Now to remove the cover you have two black tabs, one here, one here. You want to press them and leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram, and this small yellow piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the horn fuse will be fuse number F42, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here in the upper left corner. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.